Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to walk through how to install Wazuh, the powerful open source security monitoring platform on Ubuntu 24.04 step by step. Wazuh collects and analyzes data from endpoints, servers, workstations, cloud instances to detect intrusions, malware, unauthorized access, file integrity changes, and log anomalies. It's widely used in both enterprise and cloud environments due to its flexibility and integration capabilities, example with AWS, Docker, and Kubernetes. So let me install it on my new Ubuntu 24.04 VPS on DigitalOcean. For a smoother experience, update your system first. For a fast and straightforward setup, refer to the official Wazuh documentation. The Quick Start Guide walks you through installing the Wazuh Central components on a single host using the installation script or assistant. This is the most common deployment method. It's suitable for monitoring up to 100 endpoints and storing 90 days of indexed alert data. For larger scale environments, a distributed deployment is recommended. Wazuh consists of a universal agent and three main central components: the Wazuh server, the Wazuh indexer, and the Wazuh dashboard. If you want the distributed setup, just follow the documentation after the quick start setup. First, copy the official Wazuh installation script and then open your terminal and run the script. This script will handle everything Wazuh server, Elastic Stack, and FileBeat. Like I said earlier, this will install Wazuh in an all-in-one setup, including Wazuh Manager for threat detection, Elastic Stack for logs and dashboards, FileBeat to forward logs to Elasticsearch. The installation may take 5 to 15 minutes, depending on your internet speed. Grab a coffee. Once installed, you can access the Wazuh dashboard. The username and password will be displayed on the terminal. You will get this error since a self-signed certificate is installed. Make sure to change your default credentials right away for security purposes. Nice, you now have Wazuh up and running. But here are a few things you might want to do next. Add your first agent, Linux or Windows. Configure email alerts, tune security rules, enable file integrity monitoring. Wazuh has a great web interface where you can monitor agents, run queries, and set up rules. One more thing, the documentation recommends disabling the Wazuh package repositories after installation to prevent accidental upgrades that could break the environment. And that's it. You've successfully installed Wazuh on Ubuntu 24.04. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.